welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. And this is who?
My name's Raiden.
This is Raiden. He's my little helper.
Before.
Yes, he's been here before. Today we are going to share with you a zoodle recipe. This is what I call my carb-friendly pasta. So instead of pasta, I substitute it for zoodles. It's delicious, it's easy. Like I said, it's carb friendly, so if you're trying to get your bikini body going, this is the recipe for you. Make sure that you give us a big thumbs up.
And smash it!
And smash it. Alright, enjoy the video, guys.